right through our fingers, 2 seconds away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. Today's video I'm going to be sharing you guys an inspired makeup look on the color of the year 2021. The color of the year is Ultimate Grey and Illuminating. So yep, today is an inspired makeup look. So yep, without any further I explain you guys, let's begin with the makeup tutorial. To start off with the makeup look, firstly I'm going to be moisturizing my face using Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Multivitamin Cream. I'm soon going to be doing a review on Wow Skin Science product guys. So yep, let's see when the video will be up. So I'm going to be moisturizing my face using this cream. Always remember to moisturize your face whenever you are applying makeup or after washing your face. Moisturizer is the must. Next step, I'm going to be applying an illuminator. I'm going to be using Miss Claire Born to Glow Illuminator. It's a really fab illuminator guys. It just highlights your highest points of your face. It just gives a really nice glow. Next I'm going to be applying a primer. I'm using Blue Heaven primer. It's a silicone based primer. It's really good primer guys. It's affordable. It fill in your pores and create a blank canvas to work onto your next level, that is your foundation. So I'm going to be applying this primer onto my face. I have already done a video on how I define and fill in my brows. So if you haven't yet watched, then I'm going to link it somewhere on screen. So yeah, I have done my eyebrows off camera and I'm gonna be moving on to my eye makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna be prepping my eyelid area using Elle Pro concealers in the shade Ivory. So I'm gonna take this concealer, apply onto my eyelid area and blend it with the help of my fingertips. Next step, I'm gonna set this concealer on place using a compact. I'm gonna be using Elle Glow Compact in the shade Pearl. I'm gonna take this compact onto my brush and I'm just gonna dab this powder onto my eyelid area, like where I applied my concealer. To get that ultimate grey and illuminating color onto my eyes, I'm gonna be using my favorite palette from the Makeup Revolution sophx palette. I'm gonna take this cookie dough shade from this palette and I'm just gonna work onto my crease to get my crease more defined and just a transition shade onto my eyelid. I want that really depth crease line onto my eyes, so I'm gonna reapply the same color onto my crease until I'm satisfied. To get that ultimate grey shade onto my eyes, I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution Pro HD palette. I'm gonna take these two shades from this palette and create a grey shade out of these two shades and I'm gonna apply onto my outer V corner of my eye. Keep on building up the color until I'm satisfied. I'm gonna make this shade more opaque and more pigmented until I'm satisfied. For my eyelid area, I'm gonna take again my Makeup Revolution sophx eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna pick up the Vitamin C. It has a really nice names to it. All shades have really nice names like Vitamin C, Everyday, Cookie Dough, Lakes, all that. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shade Vitamin C and I'm just gonna with the help of my flat brush, I'm just gonna pack this shade onto my eyelid area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna highlight my inner corners with a different shade. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners from the same shade, that is Vitamin C. I'm gonna take this shade and apply from the inner corners and extend it towards till the eyelid area, till the center of my eye. Next, I'm gonna be applying my eyeliner. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Colassal black, super black or black eyeliner from the Maybelline brand. I'm gonna apply it onto my upper eyelid. I'm gonna be making a wing liner, not a normal liner. I'm gonna be creating a wing. Here I wasn't satisfied with the pigmentation, with the opacity of the colors, so what I did is I again went back and forth. Next, when I'm all happy and satisfied with the colors, I'm gonna be moving on to my eyelashes. I'm gonna be coating my eyelashes with a mascara. I'm using Blue Heaven mascara. I'm gonna apply this mascara onto my upper and lower lashes. Lining my waterline using a white kohl. Instead of using a black, I really want to use a white because I want this two shades to highlight more instead of kohl taking away all the attraction. So yeah, I'm gonna be using white kohl from the brand Tintin. Without false lashes, this whole makeup look is nothing, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying my false lashes. Once I'm done with my eye makeup, I'm gonna be moving on to my base. I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite foundation, that is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. It's a really nice foundation, guys. It's super blendable and super light. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this foundation, dot it around my face, and I'm gonna be blending out with the help of my beauty blender, damp beauty blender. Next, I'm gonna be highlighting and contouring my face using my Elle Pro concealers. I'm gonna take this concealer and I'm gonna highlight my face, that is my under eyes, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin area. And guys, these two shades name I'm gonna be mentioning in the description box for you guys. So once I have highlighted my face, I'm gonna be cream contouring my face using the same concealer tubes from the Elle Pros. Next, I'm gonna take my contour Elle Pro concealer shade and I'm gonna contour my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, forehead, sides of my nose, underneath my lip and underneath my chin area, so that I can get a really nice, sharp, well sculpted kind of look. Once I have applied my highlighter and contour, I'm gonna blend everything out with the help of my damp beauty blender. To set the concealer on place, I'm gonna be using the same Elle Glow Compact. I'm gonna take this compact onto my brush and I'm just gonna pat it down onto my skin so that my concealer does not crease out, stays for a longer period. So I'm just patting it down everything into my skin. Next, I'm gonna be baking my face. I'm gonna be using Nivea powder. You can use any powder, guys. It does not have to be setting powder or baking powder. I have tried with so many powders and it works the best. We need to at least wait for at least 10 or 15 minutes for the baking to do its job. Until then, what I'm gonna do is I really thought at that point I really thought my eye makeup is little bit incomplete, so I went ahead and applied a glitter eyeliner onto the gray shade. I am using Hilary Rhoda Glitter liner. Now that the baking has done its job, it's been almost 10 and 15 minutes. The baking was sitting on my face, so I'm just quickly gonna dust off the excess powder from my face. Next, to highlight my face, the highest points of my face, that is cheekbone, forehead, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. Without an highlighter, this whole makeup look is nothing. So I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution blush and highlighter palette, and I'm gonna pick up the highlighter shade from the palette and I'm gonna highlight my face. Next, for my blush, I'm gonna be using the same Makeup Revolution blush and highlight palette. I'm gonna pick up the blush shade from the palette and I'm gonna apply the blush onto the apples of my cheeks. I love lip liners, guys. Without lip liners I just cannot apply my lipstick, and your lipstick stays for a longer period if you apply a lip liner. Trust me, apply and you will get to know what lip liner does. So I'm gonna use Hilary Rhoda lip liner. I guess it's in the shade, I guess, nude or something. It has a number or a shade name. I will mention in the description for you. So I'm gonna take this lip liner and I'm gonna lip line my lips, and also I'm gonna fill the same shade even onto my center of my lips. Lip liner alone have a really nice nude shade, but still I'm gonna apply a lipstick on top of this. So I'm gonna be using Maybelline Color Mattes in the shade 660 Touch of Spice onto my lips. I'm gonna apply this lipstick all over my lips. It has a really nude pinkish shade. So yep, that's it. This is how I created the inspired makeup look on the color of the year 2021. This makeup look can be done the whole year for this 2021 on any occasion. If you are wearing yellow lehenga, yellow dress, or a yellow and gray kind of outfit, you can rock this eye makeup look, entire makeup look. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe if you haven't yet done. See you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.